All right, a lot to get to. Margaret, thank you. Well, justice delayed again for the family of former Saints player Will Smith. The district attorney says Cardell Hayes was set to take a deal today, pleading guilty as charged in the case. But late this morning, we learned that's not going to happen. Instead, a new trial date has been set for early next year. WDSU reporter Morgan Lentis was in the courtroom as all of this unfolded. She joins us live with reaction from both sides. Morgan?
Well, Sola, it was a war of words after this morning's hearing. DA Jason Williams insisting to reporters that Cardell Hayes was set to come here to trial this morning and take responsibility for that deadly shooting. But his attorneys say that was wrong.
Cardell was never going to come in this morning and plead guilty.
We may never know what Cardell Hayes really planned to do Wednesday morning as he walked into court with one of his lawyers. But after the hearing, they insisted he acted in self-defense.
I know you all don't get to talk to him, but despite how big of a human being he is, he's actually a teddy bear.
But District Attorney Jason Williams disagrees, saying he and Will Smith's family are deeply frustrated that the potential plea fell through. As Williams spoke with reporters, the victim's widow and fellow victim looked on, clearly in pain. Raquel Smith was also shot in April of 2016 in what investigators call a road rage incident turned deadly.
I want to be as respectful as possible. Does Raquel or any of the family want to say anything?
She does not want to speak. It's hard enough to come back to New Orleans thinking that this chapter was going to end and have some real finality today.
Instead, the case will now stretch into its 8th year, the judge setting a new trial date for early February 2024. Hayes secured that second trial after the U.S. Supreme Court ruled non-unanimous convictions were unconstitutional. His attorney, John Fuller, was asked about the risk of going before a jury again. He said this.
So every trial, in fact, is a gamble, but we have no fear of it.
Neither does the DA, who says his team was ready for trial this week.
I can tell you that Matt and I were prepared to go forward with trial on Monday, and I wish we were in the 3rd day of trial right now.
And it is worth mentioning that new trial is set for February 5th, 2024. That is exactly 1 week before the city celebrates Mardi Gras. Reporting live in New Orleans, I'm Morgan Lentis, WDSU News.
Yeah, Morgan, interesting timing on that new trial date.